Hello world, how you doing guys? I hope so you're keeping well. Today is another beautiful day here in Bali. I'm in Sanur, just at the front of the Prama Hotel in Sanur, and today's will be another virtual reality video. I'm gonna walk from this area up to Segara village, North Sindhu or North Sanur Beach, depends how you are calling it. And also the first premiere video will be with the live chat as always, so it's highly recommended you guys to enjoy it, taking the live chat, commenting, stuff like this. There will be also not edited videos, so this is totally raw. Whatever is gonna happen today, you will see that all the time without any cutting of any parts. So in some places it could be a little bit more interesting, in other words will be a little bit more quiet or boring. That's how it's work like. I hope so you will enjoy it, guys. Also, after that you will watch the playback. I highly recommend you to comment your thoughts. This is beautiful Sanur. I'm just at the front of the bamboo bar and lounge. Right now it seems very quiet. Prama Hotel in general, it seems very quiet. There's like a little swing. I will showing only at the front what is it. So this is only like a intro moment when I'm talking to the camera, showing you with who you're dealing from, something like that. So yeah. Beautiful day, a little bit windy. I hope so you can hear me properly as well. Let's see how's life today in Sanur. This is the place where I'm living and definitely one of my favorite ones. I hope so you also will enjoy. I will change the position of the camera and I'm gonna show you at the front. Meanwhile, this is the situation in the bamboo bar. Belongs to the Prama. There's one guy enjoying his lunch, early dinner or late lunch, and by the beach. Looks like this. Seems still very quiet in this certain spot in Sanur, but maybe more when the more popular spots are in different way, will be more busier. Meanwhile, enjoy, guys. Alright, so this is the area of the Prama Hotel. By the way, so many dogs, and they are actually chilling on the sunbeds right now. I don't know if you can see the dogs chilling, sitting on the sunbeds because there are no people. Another dog always working. There's the only one pool area situation what is open. I can see there are some people, but I'm not allowed if I'm not staying. There's some lovely security. So many dogs also. But seems ice cream corner still closed. In generally, tourism it's going a little bit slower than many people was expecting. The expectations, I think they were a little higher than there's reality, but usually it's like this. However, it's getting better and better in some certain places. For instance, Canggu seems like very busy, and well, Sanur always looks pretty the same. There was even during the current situation when it was the lockdowns was pretty the same, because well, so many expats living in Sanur. Meanwhile, this is the gardens of Prama Sanur and the Prama Sanur wing, and the hotel situation, swimming pool, still closed. They didn't even reopen this part of the hotel yet, which is pretty sad. But that's how it is, and that's how does it look like today. I'm gonna have a little walk today up to North Sanur. I don't think so I'm gonna go to the harbor, but to the Segara village area, the Sindhu, that's for sure. And thank you for visiting Prama Sanur. Going to the next. This is like a little strip with the shoppings and some tour sellers and stuff like this. I think Ubud is currently busier. Maybe in next weekend I will go to Ubud, guys. Currently here in Sanur, they make a promenade. They avoid the tree. This is like a little bit more quiet part of the Sanur still. In few minutes I'm gonna show you where is the live main center of the Sanur. So guys, stay tuned. I just want to show you all the areas because so many of you are interested about what's going on here. It was the Flamingo Restaurant. I'm just behind the Prama and at the front of the Pura Santrian Hotel. So yeah. Yeah, guys, here is some people, local people trying to sell something. Local vibe, local beach. And yeah, yeah, that's how it looked like Here's the nice spot. I always like to make a picture here for the, for the thumbnail. Low tide today. This is the private villa on the other side, just between the hotels. There's somebody on the private villa, Villa Cemara, because on the other side of the street is the street's name Cemara, by the way. Situation by the beach right now, it looks like this. Pretty nice day. Not so cloudy, not rainy, but sunny. Yeah, little sunny, but little cloudy at the same time. I just see the boat underneath. Some lady, foreigner, order. So yeah, that's how it is. And situation of the Pura Hotel, as you see, also doesn't look that very busy by the beach here. The new promenade, and also instruction: no motorcycles, guys, and bicycles on the old path, pedestrians on the new path. That's just very interesting fact. Well, nobody actually checking it how you drive, but this is nice to respect for everyone, right? The beach situation, this lady seems like she's meditating. I'm not gonna really like distract her. Well, Nusa Penida, Nusa Lemonan Island over there. There is actually a little bit view of the Mount Agung. I will be closer there at the end of the video. Let's have a look. Now this is the Puri Centrum. During the 2020-2021, we used to come in here with Winnie for the weekend break. Having usually the sitting in this area, in this cabana or whatever they call this bed. Situation here is very nice. The widest promenade, definitely the widest, and this part is very wide and very clean. It looks very nice. Somebody is waving to me. Hello. Hello, hi. Situation. Hello. Good. How are you guys?
Would you like some cake?
Oh, thank you so much. I'm on the diet, as you see. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Walk everywhere.
Everywhere. Thank you so much. We are on YouTube right now. Is that okay? Yeah. Where are you coming from, guys? Australia. Melbourne. Just come, not so long ago.
I've been here 21st.
So still with the reservation of the hotel, or?
Yeah.
And it was easy.
Here for another 5
Very
days.
easy.
Very easy right now.
Very easy.
Would you like to invite your friends from Australia to come to Bali and enjoy?
Come to Bali.
So
Yes.
easy.
Come to Bali. Easy. Second home.
That's good. All right, guys. I'm gonna go. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care, guys. Thank you. So, as you see, guys, some lovely people from Australia, from Melbourne. Hold on, I will change the lens for you. I think this one is a little bit too shaky. Lovely vibes, guys. Whew. It's a little bit hot also by the beach situation. Pretty quiet. A little bit another guests over there. As you heard, the people, it's quite easy to come to Bali, no problems at all. They're just chilling and enjoying. And yeah, today or yesterday, 14 planes arrived from internationally. I don't know if they can call from Australia or from different countries as well. I think 14 flights internationally, so everything is getting better and better, definitely. We'll be very busy soon, guys. Just like I already mentioned a few times, give them the few, few months. More and more people will come and we'll be fine. Anyway, this is the area where used to be local warungs. And well, what I can say, the warungs are currently gone. There is one permanently fishing, surfing, snorkeling. Hello. But after that, they never come back again. They are not, as I know, they are not allowed to come back here. There was, well, I already explained many times, there were warungs without the permits, and actually you cannot build anything close to the beach, very close to the beach, which is the line is actually here, or is the this promenade. This is the border where you can build something, right? Here is the very huge empty land, 7 hectares of land for $77 million American. crazy stuff. This is the price of the land here by the beach. Oceanfront is nearly like from the Manhattan in New York City, just for instance. Very interesting for somebody who are in the topic of the properties and stuff like this. Here's a little bit dark corner because so many trees, and now it's so empty because of obviously the warrants. I think this is the public toilets or something that seems close. No, it doesn't. No, this is some sort of memorial building. I don't know. There is some government signs on it. I don't know. Anyhow, that's how it is, guys. So, also as you see, there were the permanent constructions with the fundaments. So they shouldn't be here, but they didn't demolish the fundaments, obviously, what they are building. I'm gonna stop. There's little temple over there. Also the sign from the Titis, Warung and Sanur. Memorable place for many of you guys. Unfortunately, guys, everything is changing. Either we like it or not. Yeah, let's got this. I just had my drink, cola today. Why I'm drinking cola, not where's my bottle of water anymore? That's the long stories about the water. Let's say I'm gonna change into cola for a few next days. Alright, guys. It's so funny. I'm looking so funny when I'm walking alone by myself and laughing to nobody. Well, I'm talking with you guys. So actually, I have like so many audience, so many people listening to me right now. And so, but from outside look, it's made looks funny for some people. All right. So basically, situation there is some people selling water only. Fishermen and peaceful walk. You could still rent kayaking stuff or the floaties. There's somebody put actually sunbeds and umbrellas, but most of them they are closed. Only one they're open. In theory, I read somewhere as if you do like a sunbeds only or any tables, bean bags by the beach, it's okay, it's totally legal, but you cannot have a construction, any kind of building. Either it's temporarily looking building like a shed, you cannot have it, but if it's only like this is okay. Anyway, this is already the different part of Sanur. There is some construction, of course, on the side of the path. Here they used to plan to build something, but yes, you see they didn't, because probably they cannot. And seems like here's gonna be a very fancy restaurant. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna be, but it looks with the bamboo construction on the roof. This one is probably local showers and toilets. So very interesting location for the restaurant, and looks pretty decent. This is the little beach and the harbor. It's not like a harbor, but there are so many speedboats here going for diving usually. Here is quite nice spot. I'm just gonna come a little bit here to show you around. You can also have a jet ski here. I'm gonna go into this direction all the time, but meanwhile, this is how does it look like. Some local people here chilling, enjoying. And yeah, and this is gonna be construction of the restaurant. Totally have no idea what the restaurant is gonna be. Somebody put quite a lot of money on it. It looks really decent. Seems like Mediterranean style, a little bit. Pretty nice, which is also at the same time as very interesting, as this restaurant is under construction. This famous popular warung here gone into bankruptcy, but that was different time, different era, right? Local warungs here. There are some foreigners sitting now. Hello. And yeah, there was the restaurant here, but it's gone. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Here we go, guys. This is very cool, by the way. And they are like a local community over here. Sometimes they have a fish here. Looks like a public bike, but I don't know. Maybe somebody just bought this It's like a city bike, right? And yeah, this was like a little bit more local vibe in Sanur. However, this restaurant under construction looks very fancy. I don't know what's the name, what's gonna be, and when they're gonna finish. However, if they're gonna finish, obviously I will go there, because Sanur, I need to know what is in my hood, right? And here we go. This will be the new restaurants here, which is the new restaurant by the beach. But meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit. Also, as in Sanur, we have like a gazebos to the public use over here and here, low tide. I'm just a little bit surprised as it's quite quiet, kind of quiet a little bit. You can rent the jet skis in Bali if you want. This is the new jet skis from these boys over here. And this is the Anova Restaurant. Seems like quite busy with the expats, and this is like a tapa, and seems like this restaurant is Anova expat spot, hot spot. Hello, how are you?
I was hoping we'd run into you.
All right.
Having a good day?
I'm always. How about you guys?
Very good.
Where you come from, guys?
From Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Yeah.
When come? Just now?
No, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. I met some group of people sitting next in the hotel, I think in the Santrian. They also come from Melbourne, and also 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
Can you
I
imagine?
spoke to you on Facebook that we might run into you.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
See you, darling.
Have a great time. Take care, guys. As I said, so many expats here, and I already met two group of people. Who knows who is also there or what, I don't know. Yeah, seems like kind of busy. Anyway, this is the area of Intercontinental Hotel. What was the name of the hotel? For Fairpoint or something like that. And the restaurant, like I said, another expat vibe here. Restaurant competition to La Playa. And this is maybe because La Playa was too small already. More people coming. Sounds cool. Always happy as you guys coming, calling me hi Damian and everything. It's so nice. As you remember me. Also, the monkeys also okay. Or Mr. Monkey also okay, guys. That's cool. It's just cool. And this is the situation of Intercontinental Hotel, the restaurant. Pure. Guys, so nice to see some of you newcomers. So happy to see that. So happy, guys. So some people running. Anyways, now I'm approaching the area where I used to do regular vlogs. You know, my regular vlogs are usually 8-10 minutes, depends of situation. Sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. I think last week I made 2 shorter ones. I was lack of quota, lack of material, but in general like that. And I'm covering this area. So also this area is supposed to be kind of busy. But I have to really run away from this music, what is going on right now. I don't want to get a copyright, you know what I mean, guys. I think I already explained many times. Oh my god, this music is so long. Okay, Damian is talking fast and Damian is running now. Alright, I should be fine. Anyways, have to always run away from the music. Anyway, this is so many fishermen boats are gonna stop here, and they carry so much petrol. Most of the restaurants who buying the fish buying from these fishermen over there, so you can have a warranty. If you're gonna ever eat fish here, it's gonna be fresh, and they are really fresh. So good, so lovely. And yeah, La Playa, Lila Cafe, also quite busy. Maybe not as that. Definitely much more foreigners around nowadays. Definitely, guys. That's without any doubts. You know, Sanur always had the foreigners because community of expats here is big. It's really huge, but definitely it's getting busier and busier right now. So yeah, even still looks maybe not that super busy, but definitely is busier and busier, and definitely much more new faces, new people around, as you saw. Alright, this is Omba. Also have to run because of the music. It was very hard for me right now because of this music in this and this and this. I hope so. It's gonna be all right. And this is the Anova place, which is the restaurant, but also very loud music. I have to go very fast, very fast, very fast. Hello. All right, everything is nice, everything is good, but this music is terrible. I have to really evacuate. All right. And the Anova Restaurant here, Surya, seems like it's opening up again. Well, it's not for sale, so I cannot buy it. That's actually, that's good, that's good. And this is the Seagrass, another place. Oops, sorry for little shakiness. Also quite busy. They built this just in 2019, and they're making their construction of the promenade. Something here was little bit broken. And this is the famous La Playa, also full of the foreigners here, expats.
Yeah, I don't either.
So that looks good. Looks good. So busy. Looks very busy. Hello. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? All good? Yeah, long time no see, Sanur. How you doing? How's the many tourists? No, it's not yet. You see, actually, yeah, I would like to say, but they are expats, bro. I see the same faces for the last 2 years here, but that's good. Maybe next week. Take care, brother. Hey, you have to teach me, how to Sky. Yeah, take care, bro. All right, that was the situation. But obviously, in Lila, there are definitely more. Sorry, in La Playa, definitely expats community, and the newcomers are more likely in the previous place where I met another couple. What's called Tapa, whatever. Anyway, Hyatt Regency place over here. Well, lunch situation, it's not gonna be as that busy as during the dinner time or breakfast, but yeah, great vibes. The best pizza in Sanur, or the best pizza in Bali. Well, not the cheapest one, but the best, that's for sure. Somebody asked me last time, I hope so you're watching this and you can confirm that, because I recommend you and I don't want you're disappointed. But however, as I always said, not endorsement, guys. This is just my private recommendation. And yeah, I don't know what's going on here. They're gonna prepare for cleaning, I think. The beach cleaning or hotel cleaning. The beach cleaning, I think. They're taking a box and they're gonna clean the beach, maybe. Alright, the cloudy situation, you cannot see the Mount Agung, which was over there. I think was visible at the beginning. But meanwhile, situation a little bit by the beach. Yeah, there will be a little bit empty moment right now, because this is like a huge hotel. Hyatt Regency is quite huge, and I'm going to the area of the hotel called Andas, which is, well, long time ago that was still Hyatt, but now they take a part of the hotel and rebrand into Andas, make a double brand, which is of course still group of the hotels of Hyatt. Hyatt is a kind of big group of the hotels corporation. And yeah, in my little bit of the view of the gardens of Hyatt, and this is the popular palm tree here. They moved the palm tree actually here some time ago when they was building this promenade, but suddenly I think this is not really healthy, because this one is like, it's gonna recover, that's for sure, but I think it's normal. Anyway, this is the, okay, I will take a little break here because I'm still working very fast. I promised myself I'm gonna work actually slower, but I'm still working very fast, like a crazy on marathon or some sort of. Anyway, check this out. This wall over here, this is the original wall of the first Hyatt, what was built in the 1980, I think. So 40 years ago. So if they will do not refurbish this and taking care of maintenance, like it was not taken, so it naturally will look like that. Doesn't maybe looks that, well, nice. I mean, like attractive. Anyway, the hotel is refurbished everywhere. I just realized as they still have an asbestos roof over there, to mention to the last video what I make yesterday. I don't know why I just realized there's so many asbestos roofs nowadays still left in Bali, but it's common thing I think here. Like I said, in Europe, I don't know how in your countries where you're coming from, let's say in Australia or in US, but in Europe it's not legal anymore, it's prohibited and you have to change the roof if your house have it. It's toxic, but here seems still is alright. Doesn't really matter, it's just the hotel and it's high, so yeah. Nice, the guys have a t-shirt at 7-Eleven. There is no 7-Eleven in Bali or in Indonesia in general, if you will ask, just in case. But there is so many other convenience shops, and seems like the Hyatt having some cleaning situation over here. Yeah, there is some cleaning situation. So let's see. I'm gonna just walk next to them. So they're cleaning the area of the Hyatt Hotel. It seems like they are students actually with the staff, gardener staff with the students. So I believe the students who study the hospitality in the one of university in Bali, they get sent here by the school to do something like that. Pretty common thing. And yeah, approaching now the new hotel, Anova Hotel, which calls Andas. Yeah, I think at the same time as this is the most expensive hotel in full entire Sanur city. Pretty nice, been there 2 times. Once when they opened, once as I got the gift cards from some lovely lady. We were here during the New Year, Christmas, I don't remember. Loud music, better I face the beach. Have to avoid the music like this. Anyway, seems like also there are some guests in the hotel, so it's really not so bad. And to compare to these hotels also always had a guest like a Hyatt and this ones, but usually they have a local people only, but now it seems like foreigners are come back, which is very great. So happy to see that stuff like this. Meanwhile, also they have a nice piece of beach here. And yeah, so lovely. I don't know guys if you like Sanur or not. Probably most of you who are watching right now, or majority, you like that, but some of you maybe not like, but Sanur is really, for me, if I have to choose place to live in Bali for a longer while, Sanur is definitely the best. Tabanan also is alright, where my wife is coming from, but this is more likely green area. This one is like an oceanfront area, definitely. And heading now into area of another popular hotspot in Sanur. The hotel area is gonna be what is it called? Padma Sanur. But meanwhile before that there will be area of local warung little bit here. Yeah. Alright. Also some expats over here. Check this out. That's good. That's good. There is actually hard to say in Sanur who is the expat who is living here and who is the tourist who just come to Bali. Previously the people who are sitting in the restaurant in the hotels, like a proper restaurants and proper hotels, seems like they are more likely tourists who just come. But people who are sitting more likely in the local warungs like this one, they will be more likely expats. Anyways, Penida Hotel is open again, guys. I just realized. Yeah, Penida Hotel. I don't know if somebody asked me last time to show you Penida Hotel or not, but it's open again. Penida View Hotel. And here you go, guys. This is the area of Padma, not Padma, the Maya Sanur, also open. And they have a very high wall, so it's very hard to show you deep inside. But there are some people sit inside. But well, I cannot put my camera very high and show what is in the hotel, right? Guys, I hope so you understand. Anyway, nice hotel and very loud music, so I really have to move. have to evacuate from the area where is the music. I hope so I didn't got the catch already, and this is a little bit like a local vibe here, but also not so busy. Seems like a local people used to when everything was closed. You know, guys, like there was no tourists coming to Bali at all. There was so many on the beach enjoying, but now seems like maybe some of them they are already less coming to the beach. Maybe they are afraid of the tourists or something like that. I'm not really sure how does it work and why it's like that, but I just noticed a little bit less people. Also on Sunday perhaps will be busier, because Sunday is always busy and Sunday is always number one everywhere in Bali with the local community. Local people more likely go to beach only on Sundays, starting from Sunday morning up to Sunday sunset time. For the rest of people, it actually doesn't really matter. And if you are looking just for the tourists, I think it shouldn't be any kind of matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday, Saturday, because if you are on holidays, for you every day is like a weekend. It's like a Sunday, right? I think so. At least supposed to be like that. Anyway, now is the little bit of the path. Hold on, I will show you my face. Little bit, check this out. I'm already sweating, like a sweat is normally coming from my face, and I'm just working like for 20 minutes, and I don't feel like I'm super tired, guys. Like, you know, like some of you might say that my condition is very bad, but the humid and the hot is so bad, that's why. Anyway, I show you at the front. How does it look like? One more time. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Nice promenade for the walk or cycling or just sitting and chilling. Definitely Sanur is definitely number one for the longer stays and for living. Basically the people more likely coming for the longer stays nowadays to Canggu, but for the living I could say, if you will ask me, I definitely choose Sanur. Some of you may say this is boring in Sanur, and that's why it's the people also not coming to Sanur. That's also possible. But yeah, what's going on here? I don't know, they lost the dog or something. Some local kids chilling. And now I'm heading into Pantai. Alright guys, there's a little bit nothing to talk right now about. It's a little bit empty zone, at least until I'm gonna get to the Warung situation of the Pantai. I hope so you're still enjoying my life. Maybe try a tour today from Sanur Bali, Indonesia. If you don't know suddenly where I am because you just come to my channel. Big thumb up as always, it's very helpful and very nice in general. Thank you so much for everyone and everyone. Guys, as you are still with me. I was really considering to keep pushing the this live tour videos or not, but as you know, I'm still doing it. And yeah, what I can say, I'm here for you again. So I hope so you enjoyed. Last Sanur video got actually so many views. That was like a month ago. Previously, actually, at the beginning, the video didn't get much viewers due to, I don't know, maybe lack of interest. But after now, the replay of my last videos have 21 or 22,000 views for the 2 hours long video without editing and the raw material is like a huge number. So that's mean as well, was worth it, right? But I hope so you guys enjoy it. I know audience on my channel is more likely most of you guys are like specifically 1 or 2 areas of Bali and the rest are not interested, which is also very natural, especially if you are doing the daily vlogs and my style. But there are about few thousand people who are interested about every single content I make without matter what is it. So So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I hope so you enjoyed. Have to take a breath. And I was taking all of these people, you know, filming and talking behind somebody when nobody is around. It also looks a little bit silly. Not everybody understand or get what I'm doing when I'm walking to the camera and talking, especially as the mostly people, there are some channels on YouTube, but usually from different countries, who are making videos only about the walking. So they're usually holding the camera and walking. They don't talk anything. They are just recording just the street. That's it, with the natural sound. I also make a once video like that, but most of you said that this is better with the commentary. So I'm doing with the life like this. Anyway, Pantai Karang at afternoon is not as that busy as at morning. We made also with Winnie a few times vlogs here at morning. So if you'd like to have a look on the warungs and everything, yeah, more likely welcome to check these videos out. Afternoon you can still buy something, but it's definitely not as that busy as it is, you know, at morning. Sanur is popular spot for morning activities especially, but afternoon is also very alright. Currently so many local vendors looking at me because before they was like ignoring me or being happy because they knew me, they remembering yes I'm living here, but now they you know, more likely expecting as I'm tourist and they are a little bit shy, or they expecting something from me. I am not sure. It's a little bit different, you know, vlogging here every day since the last 2 years, nearly 2 years since the beginning of current situation. Vlogging every single day is totally different, and you can feel any kind of feelings, like, you know what I mean. So it's totally different. Totally different, guys. This belongs to Lagava. We had a coffee not so long ago, but it's closed. I think it's open only at morning, guys, because at morning must be busier here now. Afternoon a little bit more quieter. However, at morning, if you come here, well, I cannot make a live chat video at morning because most of you will sleep or being busy at work. Or being in the different part of the world where it's night, so more likely not possible. And only at what I can do is this time. And also at morning, if I will work, let's say starting from 7 up to 8 or 9 a.m. is so hot. It's just unbelievably hot, and it's almost not possible to make it physically. Well, probably if I'm gonna make it, I will be very sick after that, overheated. Which once actually I was already after my live stream, to be honest. But you know, guys, I always keep pushing for you guys, so I hope so you enjoyed. And I hope so many of you didn't switch off the video in this point, because this point is a little bit empty, right? This is the Vera Pura Hotel. I'm not sure if they are closed totally or they're making some reconstruction over there, but the beach situation for them is totally out of business, that's for sure. Meanwhile, some local people cycling, walking. So yeah, that's how it is. Actually, many local vendors are looking around. Yeah, thank you. Looking and waiting, kinda hopelessly, I could say. Once again, when you maybe remember at the beginning when so many people used to, well, you know, the borders were opening with the visa on arrival. There was so many people who got a big hope as that so many people will come, but the reality is as there was, well, not so many flights and not so many people actually arrive. That's gonna be probably boom in the next few months. And now slowly people will come, like these people who I met today already. They are some, but the people was having expectations that's gonna be thousands of people or millions of people at the same time. Unfortunately, that wasn't happen exactly like that. this guy driving so fast on his small bicycle. Anyway, this guy was driving with his meditation music in the speaker, Bluetooth speaker. It's also some kind of style. And anyway, this is the area of the Villa Shanti and Puris and Grantina Hotel. Also seems kinda quiet, I could say. All of these hotels are open, and I knew somebody who came to Bali also like a week or 2 weeks ago and staying in Gria Santrian, which is actually Villa Shanta here and Gria Santrian next door over here. And wow, it's open, it's operated, but it's definitely still not that as many people as we all could expect. There are some people, of course, definitely, and there are some foreigners, that's for sure, like in the restaurant right now, or walking here, or by the beach, but definitely not that much as we were expecting, that's for sure, guys. Also, this pool situation doesn't really look that as optimistic. There's only one couple here, and there are local people over here. So, yeah, generally hotel seems quite. Heading now to the Vesaki Hotel at the front. There are actually few hotels next to each other. You have to escape from this music, also from the speakers. Alright, here we go. Vesaki Hotel also doesn't really look that optimistic. The few staff just waiting, and seems like that. So, well, I don't know why it's like that, guys, but definitely if you really want to meet a lot of people, just newcomers, definitely this is the Canggu, this is the place for you to be. But if you're just looking for peaceful holidays or peaceful living like me, for instance, Sanur is the best for you, but there are definitely not many people yet here. Not yet. You just have to be patient and wait and enjoy the situation how it is, because that's gonna change earlier or later. Anova Hotel, so many people here. This is famous Tanjung Sari. There will be so many longer timers, expats here staying around, more likely not as that really tourists, I could say. Definitely expat vibe here. Also many people kinda looking at me. Guys, this is especially if you are expat, not always really you would like to be filmed. So that's also happening. Have to respect all, right? That's what it is. Alright. What is this hotel name? Another situation. Seems like there is private event. Yo, what's up, doggo? Yeah, seems like there is huge private event actually. Yeah, huge private event. I'm not gonna show too much, but yeah. And from the voices I can say as they are some sort of Russian people meeting, which is also nice. So many Russians actually right now in Bali. Many of them they coming just now, like anyone else actually. Indonesia is taking every people from all around the world right now. If you have a proper visa, they didn't make a sanction of Russian country like European countries and US. So Russian people cannot travel anywhere in Europe, but they can travel to Indonesia. So that's how it is. And this is of course the situation of the Art Hotel. I told you already, many guys, this beach club went into bankruptcy totally, and totally lack of hope anything right now. I'm really not sure if it will ever open again. There's some local people driving, cycling around, and yeah, what I can say, yo, that's it. Let's go next. Respati restaurant over here, and I think this is the hotel also. Here we go. Somebody asked me about that. Little quick Whoa, chill, Dogo. Anyway, I'm heading now already into Sindhu area, very slowly. Sindhu beach, Sindhu area is kinda local. There are some hotels, like a Sindhu hotels and something, but definitely most local people will ever come to Sanur, they will come here. And also people who totally don't know Sanur at all and you are staying in the somewhere in the different part of Bali and you get idea, okay, I've never been in Sanur, I wanna go to Sanur, let's type how to go and you're gonna type Sanur beach in Google, you're gonna come here. For some reason you will come here, not in other beaches in Sanur, so some people may like it, some people may don't really like it, so yeah, that's how it is. That's the real situation. And yeah, the situation by the Sand Beach Club, well, it's not beach club, but I think Sand Restaurant, they call it beach club and beach bar and restaurant. Beach bar more likely. There's also some people around local and also the foreigners also seems quite busy, busier than it was. That's for sure, definitely. Situation is getting better and better. I'm gonna give you this little 360 so you could see the situation, but I'm already behind. And yeah. So this is the Kajora Villas situation. Not sure. Somebody told me they're gonna change the brand. I don't know if I read somewhere or I had a dream or some sort of thing, but somebody told me as Kajora Villas is sold to the Maya group, which Playa Hotel in Sanur, the family, but I'm not sure if it's true. They still keep Kajora Villas name. Maybe that was just some sort of misunderstanding. Anyway, I don't think so if it's really matter to anyone's anyways. So yeah. Well, now Benos place and welcome to Sindhu Beach Market. Benos Restaurant. Yeah. Open with the loud music. Some local people. And another place is what's gonna be here. This is the popular. Okay, here is the Kayumanis, the new branch. Open here. Also, few people around. They have a little bit dark sitting area, like by the beach, but yeah, and the very loud music and the club music also presents the table for my videos. And this is famous Sol in the beach. Sol on the beach, very popular spot for everyone. They refurbished a little bit because there was like this. I love Bali, never coming home. I will never coming home again. Also some people, seems like actually more likely locals, but also foreigners sitting there. And this is already Sindhu, so Sindhu will be much more alive definitely. We have the live music coming from the Sindhu Hotel or restaurant. I hope so, I'm not gonna get troubles for the music. Should be fine. It's Indonesian song anyway. And yeah, this is the vibe already for the many expats I believe here. Some tourists probably as well. And so many locals. So like I said, locals are in Sanur, but usually they coming to the Sindhu or Mertasari beach. This is Sindhumarkasari, was on the other side of the Sanur. Here you go, quite busy. Mostly local people though. Yeah, that's how it is. The vibing, local expats. Everyone are here. Also some with the family. So yeah, this is little turtle sanctuary, by the way. Sometimes they are releasing the turtles in the morning, and you can buy satay or corn by the beach, like this parking situation. I could potentially even start the video from this area. Maybe actually will be much busier when I start from the Prama, but Prama is characteristic for everyone. This place is less characteristic for everyone. So the situation by the lumpia dogo. Yo, people eating lumpia. This is the parking situation. And I'm gonna go to Sagara Village situation right now, show you around Sagara Village. Also here will be the popular look to cafe soon, very soon. Let me show you one by one everything. Most likely local people chilling here. And yeah, this is the look to cafe, also is smaller right now because the promenade is passing the restaurant. So they lose 3 tables, I think. And look to see, yeah, they lose definitely 3, 4. Few tables definitely is losing. And there will be 2 to see. Hello. Good, how are you? Oh, thank you so much. I know that's not good, my friend. Thank you so much, yeah? Thank you. Tutsi is closed again. Somebody asked me to go there, but it's closed. And this will be the Sagara Village situation. But seems like they have a DJ right now, or not DJ, but so loud music. So I really have to talk something, whatever it is, very fast. Very nice place, also quite busy, but definitely so much loud music. And this is already like a club situation with the DJ over there. So they transformed the peaceful old hotel into beach club, guys. So not everybody may like it, but that's how it is. I'm not the owner of this, so yeah. Well, if you like the vibe like this, it's nice. Seems like they make it for the people who like that. Anyway, everything in Bali seems like it's going exactly into that direction. Anyways, so little bit coffee bar, the big lobster here. I think here was the playground for the kids a long time ago. They changed it. Right now seems like a lot of sitting area. Playground is smaller deep inside. There's some couple. And yeah, I think I met somebody last time here. Well, that was like last year, not the last time only. Here, for instance, they have some Balinese things. The kids to practice something, gamelan. But next door is just the club music. Everything is changing in Bali, guys. Either we like it or we don't like it. So yeah, that's how it is. And this is already, well, that's the Sagara Village area, obviously. The beach situation. And yeah, what I can say, guys. If you're gonna go there, there will be Grantina, but I'm not gonna go on today's occasion. I'm gonna go just to the beach a little bit, show you around Sagara Village one more time. And I'll show you at the end of today's video. I think it's gonna be very end of the video, guys, soon. Making a little bit shorter, about the 1 hour, maybe less. One more time, sorry about that, guys. But making 2 hours videos like I wanna come back now by the street is super tiring. Anyway, this is the Grantina Hotel at the front and the beach situation. Seems like a little bit dirty, like stones and some natural there, not like a plastic or something, but seems like a little bit dirty, like lumpia salad, you can say, by lumpia. Lumpia is like a sprinkler. And there is some abundant sheep over there when it's the low tide, actually, I just realized. And the local situation by the beach, guys. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Alright, guys, so I had a walk today quite far, facing now Grantina, by the way, and the situation behind me little bit, quite many people. Hold on, I will change the position, holding my drinks to you. Yeah, let me know if you enjoyed today. I hope so wasn't too shaky too much for you. If so, a little bit, I'm so sorry about that. This is totally not a edited video. Thank you so much. I will put my camera somewhere for the last 5 minutes so you can still enjoy the live chat with the rest of the people who still watching us. These videos are live streams. I mean, with the live chats, they are more likely for the people who can communicate during the live chat. But also, if you are watching, I really recommend you and suggest you to comment. I will answer your comments Even I couldn't answer your live chat via texts. Definitely I will answer your comments. And the situation looks like this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. One more time I will show you a little bit how does it look like Grantina just behind me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope so you enjoyed. I'm just a little bit like tired. I don't know, in the best mood maybe, but I hope so you enjoyed. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And as I will see you tomorrow on next one, probably with Winnie. So stay tuned and enjoy the situation surrounds. How does it look like for about 5 minutes? Thank you so much, guys, and see ya, guys. See ya, take care guys.